Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Dhananjay. In this video, I'm going to show you create a navigation menu like this. To do so, first create a pages and add a label to the pages and publish. Now do this process for the remaining pages also. Now in the layout section, create a widget named as label. Now copy the URL address of this label and paste the URL address to the respective page of your navigation menu. Now do this process for the remaining pages also. And refresh the page and navigate the menu items. If this video helps you, then please like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.